to my left and your right. All those cars who wants to those cars you met tonight.
Hàng của sai về tại sao nó bé trong nhà sai lựa chọn chế xin đầu là một bé họ chế nèถ้าhọเนี่ยจะมียาวไม่แม่โอซีนะแกถ้าเราเนี่ยจะมียาวไม่แม่โอซี
Thank you and have fun at the State Fair. You got another busy week. Again, how about it for our Patriot Guard riders coming out with the lights and the flags and all the service. And it gets loud as they rev them up here at the 149th Wisconsin Valley Fair. It's great to be back here with Action Auto. We got t-shirts for sale. I believe they're $5. Also a 50/50 coming around from Full Vantage Credit Union helping out pay this promise. So make sure you get your tickets. I think we'll draw around 7 o'clock, I've been told. We got our kids' Power Wheels. I don't have the list though, Jerry. I see some kids I recognize. And Sean's down there. He's running the loader today from Hilltop Auto Wrecking, buddy. Good to have you. Saw you the other day. I heard Jeff, you had to get your loader already. He wouldn't let you use his. Just complained about fixing yours. It's good to be here on 13. I'll be announcing. I've been doing this fair for about 7 years now. So, all right, we got the kids. And the Power Wheels are going to have Logan Hansen out of Wassa in the 44H. Tanner Kospeski in the 16K out of Wassa, sponsored by Hilltop Auto Wrecking, buddy Mark Otto and Grandpa. At the 5, Alexi Smith, Merrill, Wisconsin. TT, Grandma and Grandpa.
Cho nên là trong nhà cho mẹ mẹ bé xong được chỉ tổ xong thế này.
Then it's the 4 of Colin Albrecht out of Tomahawk. Sponsored by Mom and Dad, Grandma and Grandpa, Uncle Jason and Taylor. We got Jackson Sims, boom shakalaka out of Wassa, sponsored by Hilltop Auto Wrecking, Pat's Body Shop, and Mom and Dad. Got Lee Hansen out of Rothschild in the 6, sponsored by Uncle Eric. Ray Adams in the 30 of the Clintonville, sponsored by Coonsgate Tackle, and Layla Bonnell in the 11B out of Thor, sponsored by Mark Otto and Hilltop Auto Wrecking and TNT Trucking. So that's our Power Wheels. They're ready to go. We got Jerry. What do you got? Nothing? No, not yet. Just hang on. Okay, anyone that's on the stage, make sure you have a pit pass. Stay behind the tent or on the long side. Don't be walking on our cords. So we're getting ready to go. We count them down, right, Jerry? We're ready to count them down, our Power Wheels. From 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go demo! We got a lot of Power Wheels out there. Got some crazy. That one's look at that one, just flying. He's like racing, taking left turns. There he goes. Is that your kid, Adam, in the red one? That thing's fast. What did you put it in that thing? Jeez. You might have to get him in a bandolero car at State Park. Look at him go out there. This Kospeski kid, I believe that's hitting going on. Hopefully that battery stays together. Get our future, our kids out here in the Power Wheels, a little Jeep, boom. Got some buggies, got some GMC Fords. Oh, that was a good one. Jackson getting the hit on the 50. Ooh, that was a good hit. Ooh. Logan getting up at kid. He's been doing it for a while. We got the young girl over there with the, looks like that. Elsa helmet on. Kind of spaced it out. Got our drone flying, courtesy of Chad Nuns. We'll have that posted on his photography thing later. Some are stuck over there with 5 of Lexi Smith. Ooh, that was a good one, Jackson. Giving Lexi back tire. Don't have to work. Our youngsters. Jackson just looking to hit anything. Colleen getting backside. Look at that Simpsons kid's car, Jerry. Imagine that, we might have to tend it later. Yeah, he's taking a Sunday cruise. He's going to hit there by the 15, the 16, Tanner Espresso. I'll move more to the side for you, boss. And Jackson on the 33. Yeah, the drone, that's Chad Reynolds with the drone. It's a good hitting going on. Getting the show going, the kids starting early. Yeah. Logan, Tanner, Lexi, Colleen, Jackson, Leah, Ray, and Layla. All out there. Yeah, there's no team playing out there. It's like one-on-one. Whatever's in my sight, I'm going to hit you. That's fun watching these kids starting early and doing the demos. How early it is. It's like, Tanner, you got to fire. Get that pump on the GMC. 60 feet enhanced. They're having fun. Good hit there. Get him again, get him again, get him again. Get him back. You can get him back there. They're coming for you. You see that Ford logo, you want to hit it. Target. Oh yeah. Oh, that one kid is such a like push.
No, quay lúc rồi chỉ liên lia ha, quay lúc rồi chỉ liên lia tụ cùng bọn nó có tụ một tí tụ tí rồi ha, quay lúc tí ha, lúc là lúc chắc ai là không rồi, ai ở thật chẳng thao khá này này.
Oh, that was a good one. The carrots. Oh, now they're stacking them in the middle. 5-car hit. Goal is to hit every car out there. I will learn. Jackson did hit on the 9. Again, we have more than what the sheet is listed, so we missed some of the kids' names. Your mom and dad didn't sign you up.
Anh đợi nếu lúc nếu cứ anh lo nếu lúc lo mê luôn à, nếu lúc lo mê.
Like these kids do this every day in their yards. They're pretty good at it.
Wow.
Oh, Jackson knows that's hilltop. You don't hit that one. Jackson, hit someone wide open so we can get a boom shakalaka. There it is. Oh, he missed. That was so close. Oh, the kid for bank ride. The bank isn't open on Sunday, son.
Lúc đó đó dài nó giờ lúc nhau không thay đua nè lúc nào nè.
On the way to work at Hoffman Banks. And we were at Brandon over there. Boom shakalaka Jackson. All right, that was a good hit there too. All right, let's count them down from 10, 9, 8, 7,
Là giờ ta sẽ hả nè,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give it for our power wheel racers. Way to go, kids, everyone.
sẽ cho mê mê là xin đầu cho cái gì nó nè.